Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm watching Love at First Sight, and with one of those people, like I hate him since the beginning. Anyways, not point of video. I don't even know what I'm filming today. So I literally was like, all right, I'm gonna film today. I filmed a couple videos yesterday, so I'm gonna film today. I'm going to film today. I tried to vlog yesterday, but it just didn't happen. My baby girl is I don't think I don't know if she's still teething. I mean, she might be, because so she got her big molars in the back. So she got two and two. And then right now she's getting like the ones on the sides. And those are taking really long. So she's honestly, they've been poking through, swollen on and off for about, I want to say about 2 weeks already. And one's a little bit, like you can see a little bit of it. And then the other one, you still can't really see it, but her gum is swollen. So she is still teething. I don't know why I said I don't know if she is. But her sleep, guys, I don't know what to do with her sleeping. Like yesterday, she took a very early nap. She took a nap, and I think she woke up like almost 4, and she did not want to go to sleep till 1 o'clock in the morning. And that was that I took her upstairs and I told her, Mimi, like, we're going to sleep. And she took a good 30 minutes kind of fighting me because she didn't want to go to sleep. I mean, of course, she was 19 months, so it could be like, you know, the time where I always forget with the sleep regression. So it could be just that. But I feel like she does this at least 2 days a week where she fights to go to sleep. I've honestly stayed up till like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning before because she does not want to go to sleep. I'm like, oh my goodness. And I have also done no TV like hours before she goes to bed, but she'll find her bugs, she'll play, she'll do stuff. So I don't know, we've even been taking her out so that she could run around and, you know, kind of get distracted, but that's not working either. So I'm kind of like, I don't know what to do. It's, I don't know, being a mom just sometimes can be rough. But yeah, so I do want to vlog today. That was the whole point of me saying I want to vlog today. Thanks to my mom, she is watching her right now. I don't have to cook today. My mom actually made corned beef yesterday for us, so yeah, I really want to clean, but I feel like if I clean, she might want to be my bubble gum because she's really attached to me right now, which is also a big indication that she's teething, because when she doesn't feel good, she actually only wants me. So yeah, this video is gonna be a lot of blah 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 blah. Hope you guys don't mind. Oh, it's really pretty outside. It's like 57 degrees. I'm like, summer, spring, I see you. I'm ready, guys. I need to be outside more. And I really hate the cold. My ankles hurt, my knees hurt. Don't turn 30. Just don't. I'm just kidding. That's horrible. Oh my god, I'm just blabbing. I'm not even gonna edit this out. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So I decided to go ahead and do a light deep cleaning of the kitchen and the sink. So I'm just taking everything out, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add some color to the kitchen so it could be a little bit more spring-ish, Easter-ish. But here I am just cleaning the sink and rubbing it down. I feel like it's so easy to forget the drying rack, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that, give it a nice rub down. I feel like it's so easy to forget that because you always just like, you know, let's clean dishes, but no, that needs to be clean too, guys. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and like down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I got these at the dollar store and they're so freaking cute. I like disinfecting and completely wiping down my tables and chairs at least every 2 weeks to every week, depending if we have visitors. We haven't had visitors, so I am doing it every 2 weeks. But then I'm gonna go ahead and broom. I'm not deep cleaning again, guys. I'm just brooming, making sure everything is nice and clean. We're still gonna eat dinner later on in the day, so I didn't wanna, you know, overly clean to have to redo the whole entire process again. Since I don't really have any Easter decor, I am placing my daughter's last year Easter basket right there with the flowers from Valentine's Day. I love dead flowers, side note. And that's it, guys. A really, really little hint of Easter and spring. I had to do that in the fastest way possible. My munchkin was completely wanting to be with mommy. I was like, all right, baby, hang on. Let me get this done. But it looks nice and a little bit more springy, Eastery. I didn't really do a lot of decorations for Easter, so this is a little bit. I do want to incorporate Easter stuff here and there, so we'll see if I continue to do so, even though, I mean, Easter's like around the corner, like now it's basically Easter. So yeah, I kind of want to incorporate more like mint and yellow, but springish summer for the holiday. I mean, for the holiday, for summer, for season. Warming up the rice, which I don't even think that's enough rice, but whatever. And that is the corned beef hash, well, corned beef with french fries. And this is what it looks like all done. Let me know if you want a recipe. All right, guys, I'm calling it a video. I know it's a very short one and it was all over the place. My munchkin is definitely, now we have fully confirmed that she is teething. She has about 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Her gums are swollen, so she wants mommy. So I'm gonna go ahead, hurry up and drink my milk, which is funny because milk is actually what helps my milk, since I'm still nursing her. But yeah, I'm gonna drink my milk, take off my face, call it a night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and all over the place, but I still hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.